I'm here at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre's garage. Look at this. Right there. That's where he lives, in the back, right there. I'm doing his garage. So I gotta hurry up before I wake him up. Comes out here, he's not gonna be a happy guy. All right, we have a Genie screwdriver model ISD990. It's a half horsepower. You pull down this lens cover and you can find the model information right there. You got your force settings right up in there. And then your alarm button right there. So this unit here is pressing the wall button. It'll actually fire up one time and it'll probably run about 2 to 3 seconds and stop. It will not do anything else after that. The only thing that it'll do is turn the lights on and off of the wall button. That'll work. Will not connect to the remotes and will not reprogram the remotes. Do have lights on the sensors on both of them when it's plugged in, but there's no communication going on from the antenna. So this logic board is going to be a bad board. That's what we're going to replace today. I'm going to show you how. Your lens cover, you're going to pull this right out, pops down. That's it, pops right into there. Pull right down. All right, you're going to take off 4 screws. You got one in here, one in here, one over here, and one towards the back. Take those 4 screws out and then we'll pull the shell down. All right, those 4 screws are out. You can just pull this, wiggle the shell. It's gonna hang right there. You can keep it hanging from the light sockets if you want to, or you can unplug them, get it out of your way completely. All right, we're gonna take this piece right here and we're gonna separate it from this top right there, like that. All right, next we'll take out this screw, this one, and there's a third one right there. This is your part number 36600R.S. Does come with a little installation guide if you need to follow that. All right, there's your new board. We replaced the top. All right, there's the old board, and this is the replacement right here. That's what they gave us. So let's put it up. Plug that. And then you put your wiring back in like you had it. Got all my wiring in. Everything is there. Got my 3 screws back in, 2 or 3 in the back. We'll go ahead and put the shell back on and test it. When you're doing your wiring, make sure when you take your wiring out, you keep them, you keep your wiring together so you know where they go. Because doing this here can be a nightmare, the amount of wires you have. So we'll put it together and test it. Comes with these 2 knobs. Don't forget to put them in. This is your force settings. Snap right in place. Now you're gonna wanna cycle this 4 times. Open, close, open, close. The speed will get faster. cord passed in the center. This is the third time. See how much faster it is? Open, close, open, and then close again.